Hello, hello. Welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
I'm Matt.
On this Saturday's Liqueur series, we're exploring Aperol. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so that you don't miss any of our liqueur and whiskey reviews. Matt, why don't you tell me a little bit about this Aperol?
All right. Aperol. This beautiful orange here. Look at this cool bottle. Love my liqueur bottles. How beautiful it is. That highly clearly not colored orange there. It's a nice big bright orange. 22 proof. Whopping 22 proof at that. And in Germany they have to bump it to 30 so they don't have to deal with some kind of weird disposal laws of like their bottles. I'm like, okay, whatever. Anyway, so it's a bitter, these bitter and sweet oranges and herbs and roots, and it's always the same recipe. They use gentian, rhubarb, and cinchona, whatever the hell those are. Don't know, some secret, and the rest of it's secret. So whatever. It's from Italy. So in the same recipe. And Aperol is the French slang term for aperitif in Italian. It's founded in 1919. It's 7 years of work before they actually get it to market by Luigi and Silvio Barbieri, who inherited this coming from their dad in 1912. Became very popular after World War I and World War II, because lots of soldiers are over there trying it out after the wars. The 1950s are going to really hit their stride with the Aperol Spritz, which is probably the most famous cocktails there is. So Aperol Spritz, take a wine glass, fill with ice, 3 parts of prosecco, 2 parts Aperol, and 1 part of a splash of club soda, and it's amazing. And then usually throw an orange in there to garnish it. I really love it. I think it's great. Great cocktail. Not too sweet. It's just a really nice cocktail. They started doing their first TV commercials also on a streetcar. Those their famous commercials was streetcars with Aperol on the side. But hey, whatever, it's cool, worked. They were bought in the 2000s by Campari, which is mid. Then they went really big international with them. And so they put into fashion, media, lifestyles, and every freaking magazine of the world. So it's big and really big all over the world now. So great job. Aperol is famous. Good job, guys. All right, let's see what we think of it.
Well, you said bitters, and my mind kind of peaked because that's typically the category of.
Yeah, I figured if you like Campari, you'll probably like this.
Ooh.
It smells like orange, bitter, rhubarb, and vanilla. And that's
but not like just orange. It's specifically navel oranges.
Even some blood orange in there
and
too.
Blood orange, yes.
Yeah, so they use different kinds of oranges, it says. So
ooh.
I don't know what the per se bitter oranges are. I don't know enough about oranges to tell you what it is, but I mean, somebody that knows about oranges could probably tell us. If somebody knows in the comments, tell us.
Please.
In general. Leave us comments in general. It helps us with the lovely YouTube thing. So the word of the day is oranges.
This smells beautiful. This is.
I figured you would like this. This would be a good one for you to end on.
It has a sweetness to it, but there's definitely this licorice, almost.
Okay.
Almost a cardamom or a.
Mm-hmm.
A clove kind of spiciness to it.
Yeah. Okay. It's definitely bitter on the taste. It's not as bitter as Campari, but it is bitter. With some orange and vanilla. And it's also woody and salty. It's also very, really dries out your mouth. Makes your tongue go. But, like I said, you got this little sweetness. It's really good.
And then it dries. Now the bitter comes in.
Yeah, Spencer was the one that asked for this, so you're welcome, Spencer. Here's your review, bud.
Oh my goodness, I really, really enjoy the heck out of this. Oh, I really, really enjoy this stuff.
I figured
I can see myself sipping on something like this before a big meal. They call them aperitifs for a reason. They open up your digestive tract and they really help your stomach get ready for a meal. Mm-hmm. But this to me has some wonderful flavors going on with it.
Yeah, it's good. I like it. Like I said, I really like it. I really like the Aperol Spritz. I'm a big fan of the Aperol Spritz. So I just love it. I think it's great. See,
and to me, like this with just some seltzer water.
Yeah, it's good for you. Yeah. Big fan.
Oh, come on. Yes. Aperol with seltzer water is just delicious. Oh my goodness. I'm happy to have known this I'm happy to have this in my life. Yay.
Yeah, and the best part is you can get these for like $20 or less.
Yay.
Yeah, they're cheap. I mean, I think the most expensive thing is like $25.
Okay.
So it's cheap and it's good and it's going to last. You don't need much. You put a little bit in there. It goes a long way.
No, I had a tiny amount in the bottom of my glass and put a little bit of club soda in there or seltzer water in there. And
yeah, exactly.
What you need. This is good.
Perfect. All right. So
who recommended we do this? Who recommended we do this?
Yeah, Spencer.
Thank you, Spencer. I appreciate you recommending this, man. I found another one I like. I like it when that happens.
Good job.
Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so that you don't miss us tasting these liqueurs and tasting these wonderful whiskeys. Until next time, keep on crusading for the liquids in your glass. Cheers. I like that one.